Okay, so I did something. Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. I know you clicked this video knowing what you're getting into, and I for once cannot wait to share with you guys the final result. But first of all, let's go back to yesterday when I decided to make my hair pink. Okay, so we're about to do something very exciting. I just washed and towel dried my hair and I'm about to put this bad boy on. Since it's summer, I thought we could do something fun and spontaneous. So we're dyeing my hair pink. I'm gonna be using the Clairol Color Glows Up Rosé All Day, and it says it's an instant expressive color, no mix, no damage. So we'll see how we get along. This next part is not gonna be sexy, but sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do. I look absolutely hilarious and I have a feeling this thing is gonna make a lot of noise, but I do not want to get pink all over my bathroom robe, so here we go. I mean, this for sure looks very dark. 1, 2, 3, contact. I'm not really dividing my hair into sections or anything like that because it's a color conditioner, so it doesn't really matter. Wow, I can see it turning pink already. It says you can leave it 2 minutes if you want something light, or up to 15 if you want a more intense color. Okay, so the application was definitely super easy. I'm gonna wait 15 minutes now and then rinse it off, and I'll show you guys how it looks like. Okay, are you ready? 1, 2, 3. I love it. It's nothing too dramatic, it's definitely very subtle, but I'm literally obsessed with it. I think it looks so good. For some reason, the contrast between like dark hair at the top and like pink hair at the bottom looks so good to me. So now that I show you guys the result, let's talk about this bad boy here. Before we do that though, let's go back to February 2021. I can't believe that the last time that I dyed my hair pink was 3 years ago. I've done all sorts of things to my hair, I've tried all sorts of products, and I've always documented it. You can literally go back to 2016 and find the video of me dyeing my hair pink. Luckily for you, everything is in a playlist, super easy to find. But anyway, now that you're all caught up, let's get back to the video. So this is the Clairol Color Glows Up Rosé All Day, and I know it's pretty hard to believe, but I got it for only £1.35 on the Superdrug clearance section. I'm not too sure about why it was in there. It's not expired and the package itself wasn't damaged in any way. So my guess was that Superdrug decided to get rid of it for some reason, and before I sat down and filmed this video, I actually looked for it on the Superdrug website and it's nowhere to be found. So I'm not too sure why it's that, but you can definitely still find this product on Amazon, so it's not discontinued. I don't think so. I genuinely wanted to try this product for a very long time just because from the packaging I really like these rosé sort of color, and so I was super intrigued, and the fact that it was on sale, I was like, you know what, this is finally my chance to try it. So here we are. As per instruction, I washed my hair first and then I applied these to towel dried hair, as you guys saw in the b-roll clips, and I think it turned out great. I ended up leaving it for 30 minutes rather than 15. I'm not too sure if that made a difference, but that's what I did. I also wish that I used more product, but that will be a reminder for next time around. This is the product itself, by the way. You get 130 milliliter of the color mix and it comes in this super easy squeezy bottle, so that was quite handy. This is also a lot of products, so it will likely last you for more than 2 applications, I would say. It's definitely been a while since I filmed a video like this reviewing a product, but I think I'm just gonna cut through the chase. I'm really obsessed with how my hair turned out, as I told you guys since the beginning, and so I'm definitely gonna give this product a big thumbs up. Also, like I said, I got it for £1.39, but the original price around £4.99 I believe, so for that money you definitely cannot go wrong, and if you're interested I would definitely recommend you to give it a go. As for the end result, that will vary depending on what your original hair color is. My hands were pretty blonde and that's why the color showed up, but of course if all my hair was to be brown then this product probably was not for me. So yeah, that's it for today's video. Really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, of course be sure to give me a big thumbs up. If you have any questions about the product, please be sure to ask them in the comment section below and I will make sure to answer them. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. And with that being said, I'll see you guys next time. Bye!